We live? We live? Is it working? Let me check. Alright. Oh yeah, I got some the link. Cool, perfect. Get the day started. You hear Pop Smoke's album?
Yo.
Yeah, bro. That shit made me sad, bro.
You hear Pop Smoke's album?
That shit made me sad, bro.
Yo.
Yo.
Pride, bro.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. I couldn't listen to the full album. I have to listen to it later.
I didn't listen to it.
Bro, pride, bro. She's so good.
So much potential.
I missed him, bro. So much potential, bro.
Oh, you still crying, bro?
For real, I was like... Oh shit, GG broke the 1 hour high. This is a fake out, man. I think we're gonna pop back up. I caught the fake out this morning during London. I just got out though. I got my runner. Came down 20 bips. Yeah, I broke the highs here, man. If you get it right now, stocks will be 20 pips. CPU will be up here though. What time is it? 30-minute close bullish. Oh man, this is a fake up, guys. You can pop up here in the range here, then eventually we're gonna break this range to go up further bullish, maybe to like, you know, if this is a fake out, right? Because it will have a 75% chance of breaking it. You can come up to this level if this is a fake out. Yeah, I think we're gonna come back up here. I believe so. Do you think it's a fake out? Yeah, it is. Price is breaking these highs. It's coming back in the ranger. So when it's coming back in the ranger, it's gonna fill the range probably. It has 85% chance of filling the range because it's breaking this resistance here, and enterprise is gonna pop up to this level later. I'm probably gonna pop up here. High chance.
Yeah, I woke up and I seen that hourly and I was like, oh shit, we're coming down.
In range.
It's a fake out.
This is a fake out. Yes. Yes, sir. Yeah. Let's see what's popping today. Friday, guys, so just, you know, take it easy a little bit. I mean, you could have entries. I think I'll wait for it hourly, but I feel like if you wait for hourly, man, I feel like this shit's gonna... Whoop. You know what I'm saying? How's gold looking? Gold tapped that target yesterday. 17... What was it? 1779. You know, we set the target for that. I put it up and everything. I'll give a breakdown on it. It tapped it. It literally tapped it and went straight down for consolidation. And we even mentioned the consolidation after. I said I told you guys, take profit here and just take profit there, you know, and just wait for a breakout of range after, because the price came back to make a range here, just like I said. So pretty clean for gold yesterday. Gold was pretty clean yesterday. G just kind of not clean. She just kind of rangy yesterday. You use Fibonacci traces? No, I don't. I do not use any fibs. Whatever you see in my chart is all I use. Oh damn, daily is. I think this daily candle is still bearish, right? So I'm not sure what's happened to this daily candle. It might be a slow day. By the way the day looks, I can tell it's gonna be a slow day. Like I don't see GJ pushing that high today. Like if it wants to fly up, right? It's just the day kind of closed bearish yesterday, and it never broke the low. So like this is a day kind of closure. So obviously this kind of has a higher chance of being bearish, but these two previous candles, like the lows haven't been broken on those candles yet. So we're still bullish. It's just we might have to deal with some type of if you get a bullish candle today closure on a Friday, then you can say next week we're gonna team up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But we close bearish. Let's see how we close today. US 30, I can say though, it's gonna pop up today though. I can tell you that. We're probably gonna pop up for US 30. We're probably gonna pop up to these levels right here. Most likely. Because the daily count yesterday actually closed bullish. So when it closes bullish here, it left a nice wick fill. So we're probably gonna, this count's probably gonna pop up, fill that wick, and eventually pop further up to regardless range here. So to the side. GJ is still bullish, man. Don't think it's bearish because of one candle, you know. Overall, we're still bullish. We're probably gonna tap after this week, when this week kind of closes, we're probably gonna come up to next week to 138, 140, you know. We broke it down already, but if we close bullish this week, the week kind of closes bullish, we have a high chance of popping up to like 138 next week. So next week will be a much better, easier week probably. By the way everything's forming right now. That shit is a sell. GJ, I had a runner last night. I had a sell. I caught a fake out up to go down as well. I think it was a 30-minute. It was this right here. This is a fake out. Same thing we're forming right now. Right there, that's your range. Price broke above the range yesterday. After now, price came back in the range here. When price came back in the range, I got sell entries right here, coming down to this support down here. And I caught like a nice runner move from here, coming down all the way to around these levels. I took profit before the stream started, so that was my trade. Then I caught like I caught on this move about like 27 pips, 29 pips for London last night. I closed at 10 pips and let the rest run. I woke up and it was like 30 pips of profit. I'm like, oh cool, I'm taking profit here. But yeah, this is a fake out now. This is because now we have because this is a fake out. This range was in another range. You know, like this range we had was from here. This is the range. This range was in this huge range from here to here. But now the 1 hour range is taking over. This is now the 1 hour range that's coming back. That's coming back in the range. So if this is a fake out, GJ is probably gonna fly up to fill the range here and eventually tap this target. Alright, so I gotta see how this hourly candle closes there. We have like 20 minutes left. That will determine what's gonna do here. Please check NAS 100. You can send me a chart, I'll check it out. Sounds like any trades today?
No, I just woke up.
Oh shit. to the party.
I don't know. I'm only gonna trade if I see something like super nice. Like,
Yeah, guys, it's US holiday today. Just take it easy. Got some, yeah, US bank holiday here. You know, if you're trading any dollar pairs, guys, there's you know, the USD GPY, don't even trade that, man. The banks are closed. You know, there's no point in trading it. There's no volatility. There's no volume. So, US 30, gold, you know, all that, it might just be rangy today. Like if this wasn't a bank holiday, I think for US 30, we would have popped up to these levels today. But you know, kind of bank holiday too. So happy 4th of July to all the Americans tomorrow. All my fellow Americans.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw, Alabama. Yeah. Happy 4th of July. Hopefully you have a safe weekend, bro. What? Your mic's so low, bro.
Huh?
Your mic's hella low. Goddamn, boy.
Goddamn. What the fuck? Hold on.
Okay.
Alright,
Good enough.
good luck. Then we going to the goddamn range tomorrow. Yeehaw. Shoots a gun. Yeehaw. Typical yeehaw shit, man. Cowboy shit for real. Yeah. What you do for Canada, bro?
Nothing. I was chilling at home, I think. I forgot. 2 days ago? I forgot what I did, bro. I was home.
I could ball. There's like bare fireworks.
Yesterday? Oh, you Canada? You shot fireworks?
Yeah.
Looking at.
No, I didn't drop fireworks, but we were by park, so.
Sup.
You know.
Baller alert. Looking at.
Yeah, bro. Stay out here balling.
I think,
What up?
I think GJ today, I think sells would be good below this target. These levels down here.
Man, it shouldn't be doing that. It shouldn't be selling though.
Data kind of close bearish.
If this hourly closes, what's it called?
The
You know what
range?
I mean, like if this hourly closes above here.
Yeah. Oh no, I did some hard back testing yesterday.
Man, I don't know, man.
I did some. I had to do some reality.
Breaks highs, like
Yeah.
it comes down like crazy. Like,
What are you
breaks lows,
looking
so-
for in this counter close? So for GJ, I think I'm wait it out. Probably gonna have stalls below these levels. So if we do break these levels, we're gonna sell it off. Here, hold on. Let me put this up. There, probably sell it off down to these targets down here. So this is a target if you do break below 133.791. But you know the 1 hour might close in the range, so the 1 hour obviously has a high chance of going up as well. So probably for me, it's a Friday, right? I don't want to take because this move requires a lot more anticipation. I don't want to take more. I want to take more of just a breakout trade. So probably gonna wait for buys above these levels here. So if this is a fake out, we'll know that by price coming back in the range here, and we'll probably fill it, right? So probably gonna have buys then above these levels coming up to this target up here. I'll be clean if you want to be safe today. Let's see how it forms. Let's see. He was popping today. I spent some time back testing yesterday, bro. Like a lot of time back testing. You know, like a good like 6-5 hours back testing, bro.
Oh.
Hmm?
No, I said like how do you backtest when you backtest?
I used to look at all the trades. I look at all my trades this week. That's all I did.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
I spent a good 5-6 hours, bro, straight up. Buys are clean above these levels, yeah.
Yo, I need to hit up my freaking internet provider, man. This shit's so fucked up. Man. I don't know why, and I do not know how. Xfinity's trying to rob me, bro.
Yeah, buys above these levels you can have. And then also you can have buys above these levels as well up here. So this is a lot of shit to do today. A lot of opportunities to be, you know, at the sells below these levels here. So this is like a range right now that we just made. So just wait for either breakout of either ranger in this range. A lot of people are short here as well, yeah, makes sense. Yeah, you wait for a candle closer. Yeah, a lot of people are short here. A lot of people are short on these type of moves here. Like same thing as just calling toss and bombs, kinda. You know, you see price rejecting off of resistance. You think this is a break, retest, continue down. A lot of people to enter sells here. I mean, yeah, it works sometimes. Sometimes it will play out, but you know, this candle is bullish right now. So I think sells to be safe would be below these levels. Coming down to the support. That would be much more safe. And then you know what they'll do? They'll have a screenshot after. And yo, what's that screenshot you had, Sam? Was it Sam? Who had that screenshot?
Bro, I follow this guy.
Holy shit!
Like,
The man had.
spiritual trader.
Here's what they do, bro. Yo, what?
Bro, I seen all of his entries. I like that. I'm like,
Here's what they do.
bruh.
They go on the MT5 app. They put a line. They put a buy limit there, and then they cover the lot size. They cover the limit part, and showing that they have a buy. Cause yo, even if they did catch those real moves, you know how many attempts it'll take them?
Yeah.
Of 100 attempts, how many do play out? You know, probably 30%.
So many, bro.
And when 30 play out, they'll post only the wins. They're not gonna post the losses, bro. I'm telling you, they take so many attempts that they'll just post on Instagram.
Yeah.
That's trash. That's trash trading.
You know, 4 hours mini bears. What do you think content appearance before you check for small time frames? Yeah, so like I said, probably buys below these sells below these levels here as this candle's gonna close bullish, and buys above this level. Cause you're in this range right now, so just be quite careful. Yeah, bro, I don't know. I see a lot of people do that. They have buy limits, buy self limits, or you know, or self stops, buy stops, and they'll just cover up the lot size, cover up the whole limit part, and just show the buyer or sell, and people think that they got in buys or sells. I caught one dude slipping one time. It was crazy. It was funny. I'm like, bro, why does it say buy limit? He's like, what do you mean? I had a buy limit there, and it got activated, it went up. I'm like, bro, if it got activated, it went up, it would just say buy. It wouldn't say limits though. Come on, cuh.
Come on, cuz. This man covered the buy and the. I mean, he covered the limit part and the freaking lot part. Sniper entry. Like a lad boy.
Not even entry, bro. There'll be like 1,000 in profit. Why don't you move it to entry, bro? You know, they need that risk to reward, you know.
You need that one in 100, bro.
Yo, here's the thing that goes on, dude, today. I'm not a psychopath or anything, right? But you know,
Psychopath.
I had yo, I had a vision. I just had a
I'm not
vision.
finna murder your children or anything.
Watch this, watch this, watch this. Watch this. Boom. Person gonna come down in the range here. People will enter sells here. They'll be like, oh, look left. There's bear traffic here. What's gonna happen after? It's gold's gonna come back in the range here. Boom. You have buys here, and you hold it up to continue in the bullish trend on a daily time frame. But it's a Friday, right? So this has a lower chance of playing out. But I'm not any psychopath or anything. But you know, this is kind of what I see right here. I'm probably gonna tap these levels up here. Like this. If this happens, you know, like you know, predicting one candle is something, but predicting 3 candles, you know, that's a little crazy. But I mean, I'll take buys on gold. Well, I'll look for buys on gold to call out if this does happen. If we do come back in the range here, I'll call buys from here coming up to this target.
Range, no?
Yeah, but this is a Friday, right? So it's in the range. But you know,
But it's a bank holiday.
it's a bank holiday. Yeah, it's a bank holiday, so it's not just range. But if this does happen, you know the vibes.
What if it doesn't?
If it doesn't, then it doesn't. You know, there's no buys. Cause the gold is bearish, bullish though. Probably bullish until like maybe Monday or something. But you know, every target on gold got tapped this week. Like gold, if I called every single gold trade this week, would have been nice. But I think buys above. Buys, the next target for gold next week's gonna be 1883 or 1853 and then eventually 1883. But you're gonna have to do this major resistance first at this level. A break of this resistance level and you can pop up to these levels. But the weekly candle I think closed very bullish, so we have a high chance of popping up. If you do close bullish here, let's see. The other candle did close bullish. Yeah, it's like a fake on GJ here. Man, this entry right here, man. Like I think I was looking for this entry. What was it? During Asian, remember this Asian entry on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? What day was July 1st?
Friday, Saturday.
July 1st was Wednesday, right? I think it was Wednesday. This entry right here. Yeah, it was. So this entry right here, we had right here, boom, kind of close bullish in the range. Right, this is a fake out now because it's coming back in the range, so it has a high chance to fill the range. Looking for buys here, but then what happened was this candle has no top wick, so I'm like, oh fuck, I'm just gonna not enter the trade, and then you know, price went up. Because whenever a candle has no top wick, man, it has a 50% of going either way. So it just means that this candle has no range to go up, right? So that's why I never enter off of them, but you know, GG did this thing here, filled the range, and eventually broke resistance to go up. Like I said, 85% chance of filling the range and a 75% chance of breaking it. So if the same thing happens here on gold, on GJ, comes back into range, we have an 85% chance of filling it and a 75% chance of breaking this resistance to go up further up. So yeah. I think I posted a whole fake out video yesterday. Of all the gold fake outs, like, in the yesterday alone, you know. It's pretty crazy. What was this one right here, man? Eddie. Not bad. How's everyone's day going though? Being a forward being bearish, you think in terms of change? If the forward is bullish, is this advisable to enter with the 15 minutes? Then it depends. Like, you have to like kind of put your pieces together to tell a story. It's not as easy as saying like, oh, the forward is bullish, I'm gonna enter buys. You gotta look for, like, if you want to look for tighter stops, you know, tighter entries, you gotta go on a smaller time frame and dig deeper into that detail to look for your entries. But it's not as easy as just saying, you know, daily close bullish today, I'm gonna enter buys here. Like, you could do that, your stops might be a little big though, and if you're uncomfortable with those big stop losses, that's when you come to a smaller time frame and start to look for potential moves on a smaller time frame leading to the bigger time frame. What's your name, controller? Don, is it? Oh yeah, people don't even know my name is there. Yeah, my name is Don, bro.
That's crazy.
On that target, that's crazy because it's actually because Cause they came from YouTube, but they didn't come from the Telegram site, so they'd be
Oh,
yeah. So yeah, it's actually crazy. You don't know my name, but my name is Dan Vout. Dan Vout. Yeah. That's it. This is my Telegram, guys. If you guys have any questions, Telegram at Dan Vout.
Don does not stand for Don.
Yeah. Just Don here. Yeah, so I'll only look for buys on GJ if this 1 hour candle closes in the range, above it, you know, like this. If it closes like this, I'll look for buys, because then we'll pop up. If it closes like this, I'll enter a buy, and we'll pop up to like this level, probably, and then eventually we'll pop further up, bullish, and break this resistance. If this is a fake out on GJ down to go up. Why only buys? I said sells below this level. If GJ does break out of this level, I'm gonna look for sells coming down to this support here. Daily candle is bearish. This might be a range day. Just be careful. Like I can tell range days off of one daily candle, the way the previous one closed, right? So it just might be a bit rangy. Just be careful today. Don't try to take too many trades today. You know. Wait for actual closures of candles. Yeah. Yeah, you can do that as well if it breaks the 30 minutes. It's right next to the 1 hour anyways, right? The 30 minutes here and the 1 hour low is right here. So you can maybe anticipate that maybe if you break the 30 minute, we'll break the 1 hour. But since it's so close together, I'm just gonna wait for the 1 hour break of structure. Like what, 1 pip apart? Not even 2 pips apart? Something like that. Yeah, 2-3 pips apart. I don't use magic keys barely. I use it to like maybe close half my position sometimes, but you know. If you guys looking to buy it, like it's not gonna like make your trading better, you know. Like it's gonna make your trading make it easier for you to do things, but like it's not gonna like literally like it's not gonna make you a better trader just because you have a special tool, you know. It's maybe let you close profits, close partials, you know, a lot faster, you know. But regards to like analyzing the charts, that's all I use though. Yeah, for GG, I think I have sell stops here.
Yeah, I was thinking that.
Yeah, NP buy stops rest was kind of clean. On US30 and GG, they want to be quiet. It's pretty crazy. I watched the recap and I was like, oh damn. Oh, 30-minute break is right here. Oh shit, I didn't see that. Previous 30-minute. No, I'm gonna wait for the hourly. I mean, you can anticipate that maybe we can probably pop down to these levels. I'm just gonna wait for an actual break of this range here because it's still a range here, right? So like I said, it's a Friday. I don't want to take too many. I want to take the safest of the safest plays today. And for me, this break of structure, if it does break this, we still have a chance of continuing the range here because we're still in the range here. So I think those below this range would be much better. But yeah, if it was like an error day, I would maybe attempt to sell here, come down to this support. It's just that it's the first 30-minute candle of the new hourly, right? So 15. Oh yeah, 15 as well. Oh shit. Oof. 15 as well.
No top wick though.
Yeah, no top wick though.
And GJ's just been breaking the lows of the 30 and 15 and then coming up on the hourly like all week. So I don't know. This is a trade that I would probably enter though, like most of the time.
Okay, he broke the lows. If anything, I'll wait. I don't know, man. I think I just wait for the break of this Ranger, you know, to be safe. Yeah, Gigi's been doing a lot of the moves this week were just all fake outs, you know, like right here. What do you have? Fake out here, down and go up, boom. Where is it? Right here, boom, up to go down, you know, and then both this entire week, a bunch of them. Yeah, it's been breaking the 1530, but hasn't like it was still coming back and continuing the trend. It's weird. But next week, I promise you guys will be by the way the markets are looking right now. Well, I can't promise you, but like the way it's looking, I can tell that will be much better. Like by the way this week comes on closer, we're probably gonna pop up next week. So it's gonna be much cleaner. This week was kind of choppy because this kind of did close bullish, but it was a very weak bullish doji, right? Like a weak bullish candle. So this candle is gonna close a lot stronger. So the next week we have a high chance of popping up here. So 138. High chance. So many opportunities next week. Yeah, this week has been rough, bro.
I still managed to get like $50 out of this week, but
I ended up like around break even this week. Yeah, I'm up like what? $20 using like fucking 8.0 lots? Yeah, like a lot of traders just break even. Last was Wednesday, so it was pretty much break even for the week. Yeah.
I kept my losses like super small though. Like
this morning I got a win this morning though. It was my first trade of the day was
nice.
It was 30 pip GG move. Just put that out there. These are all my
Man, if you had a top wick, I think I would take this sell when it broke the 30-minute low.
Yeah, me too. The way 15's looking, the way it has a high chance of coming down there. So it has no top wick, man. No top wick. We're probably gonna pop down to these levels down here at 133.788. And then eventually you're gonna break the 1 hour lows and you're continuing down here. Yeah. If GG comes back up, makes a top wick, and just continues back down, I'm gonna look for maybe sells here. If it looks like this, if it comes back up like this, you know, right now it's like this, right? So if it comes like this, comes back up, goes like yoop, and then goes yoop, makes that top wick. Boom, you have that top wick, and then you can probably start off from here. Comes back down bearish, I'll look for more sells. Right now, there's no trade just yet. Be a very, very, very slow day. Look at this range on gold, man. Look at this range. 1 hour close bullish. Yeah, so referring back to did you open sell position? No, I didn't. I did not take sells. I have sells below this candle here because the 1 hour did close bullish, and when it closed bullish, it was a pretty strong bullish candle. So I think be safe, sells below these levels here. It broke the 15-minute low, sure, but it has no top wick here. So this could still be a fake out down to go up on the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour will respect the 15-minute because the 1 hour is a bigger time frame than the 15-minute time frame. Jeffrey, yeah, I think I mentioned it earlier in the streams before. Daily does have a high chance of going down because it closed bearish, but it's just that it's gonna be very slow today because this candle closed the weak bearish, and like the trend is still bullish, right? These candles right here are still bullish. This candle never broke the lows of these candles, so sure it is bearish candle, but we're still bullish here on a higher time frame. This is a very weak bearish candle too, so this candle could flip for all we know, right? We don't know yet, but I think for me, buys, I said, would be above these levels, coming up to fill the range here, and then eventually coming up to this target. That'd be for me, personally. Did you open my sell positions? No, I didn't. I just said so. I did not open any sell positions. Relax. You gotta relax, guys. You gotta relax, man. I had sells last night during London. I had that as sells, but not today. I haven't got anything. I had sells because there's a fake out right here. I had sells from here. GJ sells from there. We had a range here, right? So whenever this is a range, price broke out a range here. Bullish. A lot of people would take buys here, right? But this is a gulag move because there's not enough support here. If you guys want the gulag move, you guys been on streams all week, you guys would know what a gulag move is. But this is a gulag move because there's not enough support here. So that's why GJ, when it closed bearish here, I had stops below that candle coming down to fill the range here. And then once you fill the range, we have 85% chance of filling the range and a 75% chance of breaking it. What happened afterwards, price actually broke the range, continuing down here. So I had a runner for, I had closed at 10 pips, and I had a runner for another 30 pips here. And I closed it before the stream started, as we closed bullish here. So yeah, that was my trades. That was my trade. Oh, the famous gulag. Yeah, the famous gulag. People come here like, sir, buy or sell, please, sir. Buy or sell now or buy? What should I do now? Buy or sell? I can just imagine what's going on like with their phones right now. Like, you know, they're probably like, you know, just contempting. Or should I take buys or take sells here, man? Just make your own analysis and see what looks better for you, you know? Like all I gotta do is put the effort in, man. Put the effort in, send me a chart. You know, I'll look at the chart. If it makes sense to me, I'll tell you that it makes sense. If it doesn't, I'll tell you that doesn't make sense. But at the end of the day, just trust your analysis, bro. Use these streams to learn from, but not, you know, don't come here just asking buy or sell all the time, you know, because it's not really gonna help you. It's not gonna help you at all. Helping you would be sending a chart and asking what could I have done better here, or what could I do here instead of this, you know, or those type of questions. But you know, if you're gonna come in here and just asking buy or sell, it's not really gonna help you. It'll help you today, but might not help you tomorrow. I'd rather teach you guys how to fish than give you a fish. Yeah, don't get me wrong, this trade in London, I'm usually not up for London, but I woke up to get water and I saw a sell, so I'm like, okay, cool. I'll pop an entry here. I watched it for literally 2 minutes, came down 10 pips, and I had a runner, so I went back to bed for the runner. Because runners are just risk-free trades, right? I switching to Asian. Yeah, yo, if you have a time zone where Asian is like night for you, man, like if you, bro, like you have the best time zone. You can trade London and New York. I think it's London time. If you're from London, bro, from the UK, you have the best trading time ever. That's why there's so many traders in the UK, bro.
I was just thinking about that, like, quick up, perfect on the trade. No,
But then again, you might overtrade, right? Because you have both sessions.
true.
But if you have like, you know, just New York and just
On
focus on New
Tuesday.
York.
Yeah.
It should be lit, man.
Yeah, you guys are lit in Australia. You guys are lit, man. That's lit. That's lit right there, bro. So lit.
Nah, bro, scared, bro.
Nah, 5 p.m. for London and 10 p.m. for New York, bro. PM, bro. You can go to work, come home, and trade.
Boy,
you-
you forgot, bro. You gotta fight all those dangerous ass insects they got in Australia, bro, before you get home. Mink, mink, mink.
But you know,
You see, you gotta fight the bugs on the way home.
You gotta fight those freaking creatures, bro. How you gotta live in Australia? That's just scary as hell, bro.
You ever hear like how they got like during spider season,
Yes,
like
bro.
the whole,
Oh
like
my
the whole field to be covered with webs? Could you imagine like watching that happen?
for real?
Bro, I'll cry, bro. I'll cry,
Oh
bro.
my god!
Look it up, bro.
Fire season?
Yeah, spider season, yeah.
It's like literally cover like
Oh hell no!
fields-
Oh hell
fields
no!
with webs.
Hell no!
Like I couldn't imagine that happening.
Oh, you got Australian people cool, but I can't live.
Oh
there.
hell no! I
That's
just saw a
crazy.
picture, bro.
That's
That's like acres of fields, bro. With spiders, acres. And people are just walking through it like it's nothing. Hell no, man.
Could you imagine?
I can't even kill one spider in my house, bro. I let my mom kill that.
Weak ass boy.
I can't even do that, bro. I see that shit, I run, bro.
I
And
throw,
I
I throw a
hope,
scent on it, and I hope it hit. I hope it didn't, bro. That's all I
yo,
do,
That's a nightmare. That's a living nightmare.
bro. First time I see this big ass spider, bro, I'll fucking cry, bro.
I just pretend it's Spider-Man.
Nah, bro, you gonna get bite and die. Alright, back to chase, though. But yeah, dang, that's fine though. 5 p.m. freaking London, sheesh. I'm bored. Let's trade London. Look at that.
yo, if you have any people from London that are, you know, interested in live forex trading, you hop on them. Or even FX, yeah, update you, bro. Yesterday, so the motherboard, so pretty much, it's already updated to the 3rd gen already, so I'm pretty good on that. The manufacturers updated it when he sent it up to the retailers, so I don't gotta do any battles up there or anything. I'm good. Get my stuff today.
Send the bill when you're done, my friend.
In Asia, I trade all these sessions out. Sendering. Man, yo, search for Spiderfield in Australia right now, bro. You guys get.
Spider season, Australia. And hey, bro, if
No, you search it up, bro. Look at it. Look how creepy
I
that
already
is.
looked at it, bro.
That shit is. Oh, I got. I feel itchy already, bro. I feel itchy.
Bruh, I don't even have arachnophobia, but nah, see, shit, nah.
Like, oh man, that shit.
Oh no, man.
Yeah. I can't deal with that,
You could probably hear them crawling. Like you can hear them.
bro,
Oh,
man.
chill, bro. Chill.
Ciao, man. Oh.
Yeah, we back to trade. We back to trade. What nah, bro? Looks like the hourly dumb clean right now. We just have to wait for a breakout though.
I think if it breaks the 50-minute high, you can maybe pop something.
Bro, it says they rain down from the sky.
A what?
Fuck? It says they rain down from the sky.
Oh my god.
Bruh.
I got
Fuck
the
y'all.
trees.
Like, bro.
Jesus, save me.
I'm stop talking.
Making the spiders rain down in the
Hell nah, bro. Yeah, come out the crib with a flamethrower, goddamn.
The fuck, what?
like a fucking spray bottle with a lighter. Yeah, rock with that shit before you
Nah,
go.
bro, I'm wearing the whole suit. I'm wearing a whole the whole COVID suit, bro.
The biohazard.
I'm wearing that, bro. I can't deal with that.
What if one
Bro,
gets
imagine
out?
taking a
What if
girl
one
on a
gets
date
out?
during spider season and you forgot it's spider season and the fucking spider flying your food, bro.
And then
Oh
a whole
man.
bunch of like, oh my
Yeah, all of them just start coming out of nowhere. Take her out a nice outdoor chill place and then boom.
Oh my God,
But how come it happens though? Why is it cause like why does
Yeah,
it
why
happen?
does it happen though?
That's a good question.
Oh, 1 hour for goals will pop up here. Oh shit. 1780.
Let's look it up on Google.
1780 on gold here. Essentially. Let's see. This is
The
US bank holiday,
1800?
so it just be no 1780.
Oh,
1850 maybe next 2 weeks or something though. I'm not gonna
gotcha.
3. Yeah, but
Tank that. July 4th. It's gonna be one funny holiday. Boy, oh boy. It's gonna go tubing, bro.
you can go what?
Tubing. It's like you sit on like,
Oh,
you know, those little
yeah.
things. Yeah. Then you go down a river. Chill. Long ass river, bro. I don't want to get lost. Chart feed. Yo, where's Lock, bro?
I don't know. You think it's summer school or something? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's up.
Wait, it looks like it's.
Where's Q-San? That's the real question. Where is
Bruh,
Q-San?
my man is dropping. He drops his album and dipped.
Oh, Locke. Or, oh, he's that picture. I don't know.
Bus station. Yeah, this man Cool song dropped the album and dipped. Gonna wanna. This man popped up standing on AED. Got rich as hell. Left us, bro.
Join gold buy? It's rangy, man. It's a bank holiday. Personally, I would not take any positions on US 30, gold, USJPY, all the dollar pairs. I would not take any positions today, man. It's a bank holiday. It's like saying you show up to Walmart, but Walmart is closed.
You go to Walmart at 9, knowing that they closed.
They're not open. Yeah, there's no volume at all. There's nothing kicking in. No one's gonna help
Ain't
you.
no cashiers.
Yeah.
The door not even open, man. So why walk in?
You get robbed. Well, not robbed, but right.
Looted. Looking at.
If this wasn't a bank holiday, I can say that maybe probably we're gonna pop up counts on pop up here of the Ranger based on the way that it's kind of closed below in the Ranger closed bearish at support, may have support, so this might be a support to go up, right? But it's a bank holiday, so this could happen is we might just come back in the Ranger and just in the Ranger for the rest of the day. I think if the 15-minute closes bullish here on GG, I'm gonna look for buy entries in a Ranger.
Man, I'd rather 30 close bullish. I mean bearish.
1 hour though. I know what you mean, yeah. You like those trades more, right?
Well, 30 close bearish, and I would have
Like,
a sell.
I know the trade that you're talking about, but you like the trades more, right?
What?
When the candle closes bearish, without like closes bearish without breaking any lows, and you have biases above that candle. You continue on the trend, like those type of entries.
Yeah, little
Yeah.
trades, yeah. But no, but like I'd rather close bearish so I could take a sell.
Oh, coming down.
Yeah.
A little tough. Ooh, man. we've been streaming every day since March. That's actually crazy. I didn't know I'll be this consistent or anything, you know? Waking up every morning, like some.
Make yourself a better trader.
Yeah. I mean, if you like your job, man, like I really enjoy doing my job, so I'm happy going to work. I'm happy doing this every day. Happy going to work every day.
I like my job.
I'm hungry. I want some food, man. I think I deserve some today. I deserve some takeout today. I want Chick-fil-A or something, bro.
Bowl. Wait, I got Chick-fil-A in Canada? What the hell?
Yeah, you got two locations in Toronto.
Wow.
He
I
said,
did not know that. Wow.
Opened up last
that's
last
sick.
winter. Before yo Sam, when did Chick-fil-A open up? Last summer? Last summer. It was last summer, yeah.
Yeah,
Last summer.
that shit was butt.
Yo, there's a lineup and everything every day, bro, for a whole
The
year.
owner of the Chick-fil-A right next to my house stays in my neighborhood. I didn't know that shit. He asked me to work for him. I'm like, hell no, bro.
Whose mic is that?
You working on slave hours, bro.
So, is that your mic, bro? What are you doing?
Yeah, my bad.
You know what? But yeah, he cool as hell though.
I can't get another job knowing I can have a job working for it.
Probably like in a year or two. I'm done working for him.
That's where I'm done working. This was my last year working. I'm never working another job again.
Big facts.
Their midnight close bearish here. I'm not gonna take a sell just yet. Like me, for sure, I'll take sells below the 1 hour candle. Once we break this low here, I'll take sells there. But I think if this candle closes bearish here, I'm just gonna have buy sells above this candle to go up. That'd be my best bet right now for me. Because if we do break this candle high, we're probably gonna pop up, right? So it just makes sense. But their midnight close bearish like consistent probably. So you could attempt sells, I guess. Yeah. So be patient. You heard that song?
It probably is less risky to just go for buy stops, but
You heard that Pop Smoke song? What was it? Something special.
Something special.
Hey,
Said, hey,
copyright, like that boy. Trying to get
I'm so into you, babe. I'm so into you.
The beat drops.
What you like, what you wear. Say the name, say the price, put them diamonds.
Can you hear that? You guys can hear that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not gonna get crop price. Only like a couple seconds.
Got It On Me. That's my favorite song on the album.
I haven't listened to the whole album yet. I went straight to that song first though.
Got It On Me. It's the favorite song.
that's a many man run, right?
Yeah, many men. Hashtag facts. Hashtag RP Pop Smoke. Hashtag why kill Pop Smoke. Anyways,
Why should I get copyrighted today, bro? Why should I get copyrighted for this video? You have
we finna catch
you
that.
played by Republic Records, UMG Recordings, something special. Pop
Wait,
Smoke.
finna get your pistol grip to that now.
And I just wish like, you know, everything's just copyright free, bro. I'll play like my own music on the streams, I'll be so lit.
And you finna play your own song. Yo, it's done on the fucking track. You can laugh.
Yeah, you guys know Nick Merckx? You guys know him, right?
Yeah.
Nick Merckx? Bro, this guy, he got cool with Drake, right? So now he can just play Drake music during his whole stream.
Wow.
Like, during his whole stream, he only plays Drake music, that's it.
Hey, bro,
But Drake gave him the heads up. Like, yo, you can, just give him the paper and all that, I'll sign it, whatever.
Isn't that like? Oh, I guess I don't know if does Drake has his own label now.
No, it's from, like, I guess he just asked his
That would be
label.
his label. It wouldn't be him. I don't think.
It's his label, yeah, but he asked like Drake, and Drake asked the label, you know, for sure. But his whole stream,
What's his
I
name? Nick Merckx.
Nick Merckx, yeah. Man, the man hit 100k
please.
100k viewers on Twitch for COD. That's the most I've seen, bro.
Damn.
Live streams
Dang.
at the same time,
8K.
100k
1,000 people watching.
live stream for COD, you know.
I don't know.
Nick Merckx is funny, bro. You should watch him. You be better at COD. You get better at watching him. Him and like Swag, they play together. He's on FaZe now.
Swag's on face.
Yeah.
Come on, face.
I'm pretty sure pays paying him well or some shit, so they signed a contract. Kick 2-4 like I'm Kobe.
Yeah.
Man, see guys, gold
Jesus
came up,
Christ, seriously.
coming back into Rangers, then closed back into Rangers. So this beat Loki sounds like a Pop Smoke. I lied, no, it doesn't.
Who?
Nah, it doesn't. It doesn't. I was hearing things. This beat. Yeah, 30 minutes unclosed bearish here. Oof.
Oh, shit.
We're gonna pop down here to the support probably 133, 720.
Bro, I'm watching this guy's sniping games.
Oh, Fortnite.
Nick Merckx. No, COD.
Watch his like Warzone shit. His Warzone shit is crazy.
Bro, he's going crazy.
He's funny, bro. Like it's just funny. He's so funny to watch, bro. On Twitch, so funny, bro. Just go back. We'll go watch a replay of yesterday's stream. You just laugh off the bat. He's a funny guy, you know. You know the guy. You know those guys that are just naturally funny. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but just funny, bro. It's just good humor.
Alright, you just laughing because that's full time. You'll beat the shit out of us. Mink. Bro, did you see that when he pulled up on that dude during that gaming tournament? That shit was hilarious, man. So you talking all that shit? I'm right in your fucking face. I'm like, oh.
Fuck, bro, you just.
GG came up. GG came up to make the top wick and came back down. Flip back bearish. Look at that. The 30 minute broke all types of lows and highs, bro. Look at that. Holy shit. Broke all that stuff. I mean, 15 minute broke all the lows and highs. Yeah. If 30 minute close bearish like this, I'm gonna look for entries. Because now his closing's a lot stronger.
Oh, you stealing my trade, bro?
I hope it wicks up though. If no bond wick, I can't answer those. I wanted to close like a little more up, man. If anything, I just have Celsius below his range here. That'll be fine as well.
You gonna sell?
No, I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
I mean, it looks probable. Like this right here looks probable for a sell.
I'm gonna wait.
If you sell here, what would your stops be though? 13, 14 pips. We're breaking the lows.
Should come down to 133, 7, 15 for sure. 133, 7, 13.
Alright, I'm getting a sell here. I'm gonna take 2 entries here for GJ. 1 entry here, and look for more entries when once I break the 1 hour lows. It was my first trade of the day, guys. I'm selling here on GJ. I'm shorting here. 30 minute close bearish, you know, shouldn't break the previous 30 minute high if this is a downtrend. So 1, 3. I took a smaller position though. I popped a 4.0 here, a 4.0 lot, not my regular 8.0 lot. I'm gonna pop, if it does break this lower here, I might pop another entry down here, another 4.0, but let's see how it goes. 14 pip stops for 42 pips potentially today. Hey, Dan, I got a couple positions to peep my charts. Yeah, send them. Send them over, bro. I'll look at them. For real, bro.
On his reverse parking.
I think you can also have buy stuff above here as well if you want. See what's popping here.
Stop's gonna be fat and then buy stops too. Though.
No, will it? No, it won't. That's like a that's a 15 pip stop. 15 pip stop.
Oh yeah, 15 pip stop. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't have a 15 pip stop in these market conditions.
Send charts in Telegram? No, send charts here. Send a link here, but make sure you follow the description on how to send a chart.
Man, if GJ breaks these highs, I don't even know anymore.
If GJ breaks his highs, I'll attempt a buy entry. Or a buy with my regular 8.0 lot. I take a smart position here, right? Where I told you guys. Buy stops here for sure though. What was this? 133.958. Okay. Buy stops here on GJ. There you go. So the buy stops probably have a TP up here and a stop below this candle here. If you do break this high here, 30-minute high. But currently I'm in a sell right now, based on the fact that the 30-minute did close bearish and expecting to follow the regular 4-hour trend and the day trend, and also because the 15-minute closed below this range here, and I'm expecting a clean traffic move down to here, right? But if we do break the 15-minute high and the 30-minute high, then it's just showing us that we're gonna respect the 1-hour time frame, because we never broke the 1-hour lows, right? So that's why I went with the smaller lot here, and we're gonna pop further up here, so 134, 156. That's if we break the highs.
Broke the 30 high.
No, not yet. Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. Just sounds like your mic, bro. It's just not so low.
Yeah, but I'm laying down right now with my headset.
Bruh.
This man got his feet up in the air.
Yeah, mute your shit. It's hella loud, bruh. It's louder than you think. Look at that gold, bro. In this range though, man. Damn. Send charts here, not Telegram, guys. Yeah, buy stops here in GG, guys. Buy stops here in GG. 133.958. 130. Wait. See how like we tapped this resistance, guys, yesterday, and then we end up closing bearish at this resistance level. So from here, if this, because like it did close bearish one, we know that, but it was a very weak bearish candle closure. It wasn't that strong, right? So since it wasn't that strong, like obviously these candles never broke these lows here. So I think if the candle closes a little stronger, like maybe something like this, you can see that price is gonna drive down to, like if it closed like this here, close like this something, you can see that we're probably gonna drive back down to this support, right? But you know, it closed very weak, so it is a much weaker candle than and it was a weak candle, and also never broke the lows of the bullish candle yet. So you gotta see if this daily candle closes bearish, then you can say that maybe we can pop down tomorrow, right? But then again, tomorrow there's no trading day tomorrow, because then the weekly candle will close bullish. So when the weekly candle does close bullish this week, next week, we're probably gonna come up, because what these candles are making right now, these wicks, these daily candles they're just making a top wick. I mean a wick for the weekly candle. So if you guys have been on streams this whole week, you guys probably know what wick fills are. I explained them yesterday as well. So then the next daily candle, the next weekly candle will probably pop up like this to this next target up here, and look like this, right here. That's how it'll look. If this week candle closes bullish here, and we can pop up to 134, and then eventually we're gonna break this resistance level. Because whenever price retests the high a second time, it has a higher chance of breaking it. So let's see how things form next week. Can you see my charts? No, you gotta follow the description, man. I can't send. Don't send full links. Send me like I think it's just the ending numbers of the link, or what it's called. But send that part of the link. Just follow the description. I'll show you how to send charts. Cause I can't really see your charts if you send a full link, because YouTube blocks all links. Good morning. Considering lower volume today due to holiday. It's a Friday. Yeah, my risk is different actually. This trade I took, I went with a 4.0 lot instead of my regular 8.0 lot. I did go for smart risk today. But then again, the yen banks aren't really affected by the US banks, right? US banks are closed, but yen and pound are still open today. So. Bless you.
Appreciate it.
Buys clean above. Still looking at fee again. Wait, yeah. So sells for me. I took a smart position, right? Because 30-minute did close bearish, but I'm anticipating that'll be the high for price to drive down, right? For that 1 hour. But if you do break the 1 hour low on GJ, which is I think down here, we're probably gonna pop further down, right? But I think buys do look good in here. I have buy stops right here on GJ, right on that candle to go up bullish here. Look left, there's no traffic here, and then eventually, if this is a fake out, we have a high chance of filling the range, and then 85% chance of filling the range, and then a 75% chance of breaking resistance to go up to the next target, which is 516, right? Or something like that on my charts. I forgot where. If you guys did not take sells, place a buy stop here on GJ. I'm gonna have buy stops as well. Probably a bigger position than my 4.0 lot. My entry was 810. My entry. If the 15-minute count does close bullish here, I'm probably gonna take off this position. I mean, or close half of it. Or I might close the full position, depending on how it closes. Because you gotta manage your risk, right? Keep your losses short and your winners bigger. Stop loss on a buy stop, I'll show you guys once it gets activated here. If it does get activated. Because right now we're bearish until we actually break this higher. If we break this high, we can say that we're bullish to go up here.
On two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
It looks like we're gonna close bullish here. I'm gonna take off this position, guys. I'm gonna close these buys here. And these sells here. With negative 10 pips. Buy stops is still in though. We saw buy stops. Right? Because if the 15 closed bullish, what makes you think that we're still going to continue down, right? Obviously, if the 15 closes bullish, you should actually reduce your risk off. To close half of the position, or close a full position, whatever you want to do, right? But I'm closing the full position here because the 1 hour never broke the lows here, and now we're closing bullish on the 15-minute time frame. So now, if you do break this 30-minute high here, we're going to pop up to Phil's Ranger up here. So buy sales are still in for me. Just gotta wait. So stop loss for the buy stops is probably gonna be 133.798. I didn't get the wrong one. I think I wrote it wrong here. I fixed it. There we go. Yeah. So if I do take a buy stop here, it's gonna look like this. Buy stops will look something like this. Buys there, stop loss there, and target's gonna be up here. Anticipating that we're gonna fill his range, and I'm probably gonna close majority here and leave a runner up to here. Send that chart. Is that the same one? I swear it's the same one, bro. Let's see. Took sellers are wake up to go down. 15 minute GPY. Are these bearish candles? Yeah, those are bearish candles here. 2017, look for buyers. Can't close above resistance. Can't approach 1 hour. Break it. Who knows? Bank holiday. Yeah, so it's like the same thing as GJ. I think I mean, they did close bearish at resistance here. Yeah, we have a high chance of popping down here to this support. I guess he had an hourly looks, but if it is the same thing as GJ, I think buy stops or buys above these levels coming up to this target would be clean as well. So yeah, the trade makes sense. Yeah. Can you see my chart? I'll check it out. I'll check it out later. It's on Telegram. Send it here. Send yo Jeffrey, send your charts on the Telegram on the YouTube side. The YouTube side, Brody. Damn Jimmy, you guys are a lot quiet today. What's poppin'?
I'm just tired.
Huh?
I'm just tired, bro. I'm just up.
You traded last night, no?
Put in 2 trades last night. I stopped out.
You straight?
I hate when I get stopped out. That shit hit my TT right after. Oh man, that shit was so clean, man. Sorry.
Is Manager for a good app? Yeah, it's fine. I'd rather just trade MT5. MT4 is fine, nothing wrong with it. Just MT5s will have updates. MT4 will never have another update. It's like saying, would you rather trade would you rather have an iPhone 10 or iPhone 11? You know, why not just get the latest one if it's free? I personally like MT5. But the thing about MT5 is you can't connect your MyFX book, which is I don't know why, bro. I can't connect it with my broker. It's weird.
That's it.
Hmm?
That's it.
What?
They're trying to do it. I'm trying to make like an update for it.
Oh. That's how I heard. Munch up. Like, what? What are you saying? Yeah. What's the difference between the two? So MT5 is a newer version, MT4 is an older version. What would you rather have? Newer or older when they're both free? When they're both free. Yeah, I think buys above this level will be much cleaner. A little cleaner. One hour closes in 8 minutes here. 8 minutes. 4 hour closes in an hour and a half. Holy.
I'm gonna little buy here on GJ.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah, buy stops. 133.957. I got buy stops here, guys. Buy stops incoming.
Wow. Bruh, the features on that album though, come on, dog. Shit ass. I'm not gonna lie to you.
What happened?
The album features on Pop, like, come on, dog. It's not. It's good, but come on, man. We're 504 in that, man. People. How are you been out there? Why is Quavo on this shit 3 times though? That's the real question.
He's on this 3 times.
Yeah, he on it 3 times.
Fuck.
I'm sorry, bro, but he's cool, whatever. But come on, dog.
Yeah, he's on like
Make
4
your own
features. He's on like 3 features. One,
argument. Yo,
2, 3. Yeah, 3 features. That's crazy.
it's like not even like his artist on there. It's crazy. Maybe on a deluxe album.
Okay, dude. You should be on an album.
Who?
You should have been on an album.
Who?
Imagine yo, what if Nat was on the no Nat what if no I'm playing I feel no imagine nah but they have a that Nav song with Pop Smoke on his well, it's pretty hard. Nah, but I was saying Kanye. What if Kanye was on the album? But I don't think he was close. I don't think he was close to Pop. Would've been like 50 Cent and Kanye, low key.
Bow.
What?
Bow. Oh, I want to see this music. Yeah.
I don't know, man. Just know Nav did about almost the same numbers as Justin Bieber. That's all I'm gonna say.
No.
That's all I'm
No,
gonna
he
say. It did. Yo,
he didn't.
I imagine Justin Bieber only did 200. That's actually crazy. That's
200
so
Ks.
low. That's so low for him, bro. That's like, how much did the weekend do? Blinding Lights.
A lot.
Bear.
Like 200 though. Oh no, 400. I lied. Yeah, I'm gonna search up my phone. Blinding Lights. How much did that do? First week sales.
No miss. End of discussion.
Man, that album was bad. I didn't like that shit.
Bro, it's fire, bro.
444. Uzi, how much did Lil Baby do this week? First week?
A lot. 200
200K or something?
200 occasions, boy.
Oh, 197. Or I think Uzi did more. I think.
Yeah, Uzi did way
But
more.
Uzi had more hype to the album.
For sure. But Lil Baby's album's doing better than Uzi's album now.
Yeah.
Platinums on top of platinums.
88 views. Oh, we jumped. What up, guys? I don't know where you guys came. Oh.
Man, I don't know what is QJ right here, bro.
I got buy stops here, but let's see how it looks.
I tried to take buys once it broke the 15-minute high, but last 15-minute hourly though.
Yeah, I think once he breaks this high, we should be popping.
Yeah.
Let's see, 1 hour's unclosed bearish. Yeah, it should be good. Buy stops above his level here. Candle. Damn, 30-minute never broke the highs. But 15 closed bullish at resistance. 100 viewers, welcome everyone. You know the vibes. Just chilling there. It's a Friday, guys, so just try to take it easy. If you're looking for gold buys or sells today, man, it's just gonna be ranging, man. Look at this range. Yeah, I suggest I wouldn't really suggest you to take any positions on any dollar pairs today. Where my thing go? Oh, it's deleted. Okay. Yeah. GG is now forming a range. We made a resistance. Price came down earlier, made a support, you know, last entry in London. Came up, made a resistance, so now we're just in this range. I think, you know, if you want to be safe, buys above here and sells below here will be safe. If you're looking for any positions now, I'm gonna have buy stops here in GG. Like candle high, previous candle high, for it to go up bullish. For 134, 161. Oh, Jeffrey, let me check your chart. My bad. There we go. Let's see what's popping here. So this is what GG 1 hour time frame. GG 1 hour time frame. 74% chance to break the breakout range. 35% chance to fill the range. Yeah, this is a fake out that I talked about. I think that's irrelevant, man. I think you can cover this up, man. I don't think there's no use for that. You can just focus on this right now, the trade that you're looking at right now. This is just useless. But yeah, this was a trade that we did talk about earlier in the streams. I think it was from from Wednesday, July 1st. Fake out came. This is during Asian session too. Fake out came back in the range here. They for the range. Yeah, exactly. This is the same move. This is exactly the same move here. Yeah. This is a fake out play. If you guys follow the Instagram page, you guys know what a fake out play is. I posted a whole video about it yesterday. Yeah, I have buy stops right there in GJ on 30-minute high. Come back in the range. So 30-minute day close bearish, 1 hour day close bearish. So let's see. Actually no, yeah, 1 hour day close bearish, right? So buy stops above that candle is still solid here on GJ. The thing about this is that you have a little advantage here because if you look left on GJ, there's no traffic here, right? But not only that is if you have like no traffic to here minimum to this target right here. So if you have buy stops here, you can move stops to entry as you reach this target and let the rest run to this target up here, and then eventually this target. You know, and then eventually, yeah, that's the daily target. But see what happens here. Alright guys, 1 hour close bearish, got buy stops here, looking clean. This guy has no top wick, so meaning that this 1 hour has no top wick, it just means that maybe this is a pullback for price to drive up. Because when it opened up, it came straight down, right? So meaning that it might just be making a wick to go up after. Let's see. So amped for my PC, bro. Yo, Jimmy, you still play Valorant? Jimbo. Jimmy.
Freaking mic was on mute. Yeah.
Yeah, you should unmute.
Like a little bit.
Yo, how many FPS you are on it?
Wait, I was thinking. I do like the same I do on League, so 120.
Bro,
I just put on
With-
60. Cause,
with my build,
like,
yo,
why do I need 120?
you just guess how many FPS I can run with my build on Valorant.
So,
Bro, 240.
yo, you finna catch a goddamn.
Yo,
Every
because Valorant it doesn't require a lot of graphics. Let's run some Valorant. Yeah, let's try it. I haven't played it yet, so it'll be my first time playing that type of game. I'm a COD type of player, right? So hopping on Valorant it might be a little different for me.
It's like I can run 44, and yeah, it'll still be straight, but I'm just run 60 because why? I need 120. Straight. When we both get super fires, trying to do game battles, right? Okay. Beat the hell out of everybody. Mate. It's gonna be light and day once you get that PC there.
Yeah.
Zoom. Be fast life. Welcome to the Lambo life.
If you guys enjoyed the stream so far, leave a like on the streams. You know, kind of boring today, kind of rangy today. So let's see what happens here. We got buy slots coming right now, so let's see what's popping. Be patient, guys. Just be patient. Yeah, I took sells earlier. I got stopped out at 10 pips. So it's my last final trade of the day. Caught 30 pips last engine in the London session. But the sells I had was with a very small lot, half my lot size. So yeah. This trade I closed half at 10 pips, and I let the runner go for another 30 pips during the night, during London. But yeah, this trade, probably gonna pop a small lot as well. Going up here. This buy stop. Yo, Sam, what if GJ breaks this high and comes back down? Holy shit.
Bro, I don't think I'm gonna take another trade.
Bro, like what if GJ just breaks the high here, comes back into
Bro,
range,
that's like,
breaks the low, comes back into range, and continues up bullish.
that's a very likely play right now.
Yo, by the way the week's looking, like this week has been doing it all week, man. Literally all week. It's not respecting any highs and lows.
Yeah, it's like it's way too unpredictable. Like, man, I might have to start looking at some other pairs.
Nah, you're fine. It's this 1 week. Next week should be better.
I'm
Next
still
week-
always a good GJ, but like,
Next week will
if
be a
it-
lot better.
If it continues like this, and I can't. Remember we're having a gold? That shit
Yeah.
just became untradeable.
Nah, gold is tradable this week. Gold is super tradable this week. This week was much better. But you know.
Yeah, I feel like if you're the only player trading as gold, like I don't know, man.
I used to only trade gold. I got so addicted to gold.
Yeah.
I was fiending for gold.
Back, like,
Fiending.
months ago, yeah.
Back in like before March. Fiending. March was the end of it. After coronavirus came, that was the end of the gold for me for a bit. After spreads came back this month. So it's just now it's like I forgot what the spreads were before. That's how far back it was.
Oh shit! Hold on. It's a special day.
I think it will sell to 132.97. Yeah, below his range. Below his range, you can pop down to this level here. 133.791. That's your next logical target. Next logical. Well, my logical target. Do you know Raja? Yeah, I know Raja. Raja is a goat. He's I raised him at the farms there last summer, you know. So he's a little goat I have a goat I have raised at the farms. Can you remember? Yeah, actually, I don't remember goal spreads, bro. I actually don't remember goal spreads. I think they were like 1 to 2 pips. I'm pretty sure they're like GJ at one point before the virus, before the whole spreads thing. But I don't know. It's been so long. I forgot what the spreads were. Spreads are like 4 or 3 pips now, and I feel like that's way too high. It doesn't feel right. Let's see. Where's spreads right now? Trades the main right now is 4 pips. Yeah. So, man, kind of weird. Can you check this chart? Sure, I got you. I got you, bruh. Wrong chart. Wrong chart, my friend. You have to send me a new chart. Oh wait, my bad. I think I wrote it wrong, maybe. Wrong chart again. Yeah, it's wrong chart, bro. Send a new link. Say, oh, retro, what? I think I know what you're referring to. I don't know. That's funny stuff. I'm not gonna cap. Funny stuff. Yeah, buy stops about to get activated here soon. Let's see what's popping here. Ooh, looking good, looking great. Yeah.
Bro, I twisted my ankle this morning, bro. Shit hurt.
From what? Working out?
Freaking, bro, the goddamn treadmill. I wasn't looking before I hopped on it, bro. The person that was there before me sweated like crazy on that bit. Bro, I slipped. I'm like, ah, fuck. Bruh,
Yo, you didn't wipe that shit down? You saw a wet
I
and
didn't
shit.
see it. I was just looking like on
This guy said.
and then just hopped on the treadmill, then looked down at it.
This
You
guy
know,
said
I
the
just
person
started
before was sweaty as shit.
And, you know, I was walking, you know, I start off, you know, 15-minute walk or whatever. Then, you know, I'll pump up speed, you know, bruh. Yo, not even like a minute in, I'm like, bruh, something don't feel right. I'm like, is something wrong with my grip?
Whoa,
shoes?
so
No,
you told me they ran in socks or something? They ran in like barefoot or socks? That's why it's so sweaty?
No, I think they was just sweating like crazy.
Bruh.
And, like, it got on the
Drip,
treadmill.
drip.
Bruh, yo, they're like, yo, I was like, alright. In my head, I just have on my headphones. And I'm like, it's whatever. It's just like, my feet are just a little tired from, you know, working out. But hell no, that bitch was slippery. Now I know it, bro. I was like, alright, I'm pumping the speed. Bro, I slid. I'm like, oh shit. Yo, the people was like, bro, you good? I'm like, a little bit. Hell no, bro. A little, you know, I played it off, bro. I got my car. I screamed at the top of my lungs. I'm like, damn, this shit hurt. This shit hurt, bro. Like, man, that shit was hilarious, though, man. Got my ankles took, bro. Oh shit, let me turn off the music, bro. I don't want to get copyrighted.
I can't hear. I'm good. You're good. I don't hear anything.
It's my new song, bro.
Yeah. If GJ closes like bearish here or something, you know, just if a 30-minute here, then if this next 30-minute candle closes like bullish, like without breaking the highs, I might just delete the buy stops on GJ. Cause with this buy stops, I'm expecting like Need some feedback? Well, you need to resend the chart, my friend. Follow me on Instagram, no free promo, deleted. You gotta follow my Instagram for me to, you know, yeah, follow Control FX. I gotta delete that though, bro. No free promo here. Yeah, you guys send a new chart, 4T. Send a new chart, I'll check it out, bro. This range is deadly now. What's that? New York Open? Man, there's no New York push? Come on, there has to be a New York push.
Bro, you gotta wait for 30, bro.
Yeah, I was about to say, where's the volume at?
Yeah, where's the kick? It's supposed to kick in here.
The traders are sleeping right now, bro.
It should kick in here, right here. Right here, you know vibes, right here.
Hit him up, bro. Hit up the boy. Man, the legend. Bro, what's that man's track? Like, do that? One 132. 133. Mate, what are you doing?
Your USD3 recess 1-800. Yo, I was looking at these other pairs, guys. Like, I've looked at Juju for so long. Like, I know gold and Juju are 4 digits, right? Juju's like 3 digits. But, man, looking at these other pairs, your USD, it's like 1.11800. Like, it's just so many numbers. No New York session today. Yeah, man, it feels like there's no New York session for real. It feels like a one big range you have here. Next week should be a lot better. I'm telling you guys. Next week, the weekly count's on close bullish here. We should pop off next week to like 138. These levels next week, 139, 240. You know, these levels there next week. If this candle closes bullish here this week. But if we break that weekly candle low, we're probably gonna pop further down to 129, right? So this candle is gonna be a very important candle this week. It's not determined of the next type of next ranges for us, next targets. Today's the last daily candle of the week, so if you guys had a bad week this week, don't worry. Don't try to make it all back today. You know, that's not the best thing to do because you're probably gonna lose money. Because Friday's the worst day to make things back, guys. If you guys, of all days, Friday's probably the worst day to try and make it back. You know, but I think you can just wait for next week, and you know, have a fresh mind next week. Come to your charts clean. Hey, you need to lose on a sell. Oh shit, that by accident. Undo. I pressed undo by accident. I have a habit of doing that. Where is it? Where'd it go? Where did it go? Did I draw this much in that time span? No, I didn't. Let me just delete it. Yeah, so I took one trade earlier, guys. I took one trade earlier. Took a sell. I lost 10 pips on the sell. I don't know how that got deleted. It was my first and only. This is my first trade up there. Second trade actually. I had a trade during the London session. There you go, bro. I deleted by accident. I have a habit of clicking undo on Zoom because I use the Zoom to mark up do these little arrows and stuff. So when you click undo, it deletes like all the stuff you did. So. Yeah. 15 closed bearish. How did it close? Doji. Yeah. See. 12 minutes left. Yeah, see, we have 42 minutes left in its hourly candle. If at 9 p.m. and we're still in the range here, it's gonna hop off at 9 p.m. Cause I don't want to watch a range the whole day, right? So it's just if the New York opening had no push, it just means that the rest of the New York session would just be a rangy session. I still got these buy stops here, so see what's happening.
Super rangy, man.
Yeah. How long have you been trading? I've been trading for 1 year and a half. Since the last March. What's your win rate? On the stream so far since March, I'll say 80 plus. This week has been, I think, the worst week I've had on the stream since we started. The most losses. I think we took like what? How many losses this week? On the streams, I think 4 or 5 losses this week. But then we took I forgot how many wins we got, but I think we got more wins than losses this week. But it was just end of the week like around break even. But yeah, it's probably the worst week I've had this week since I started streaming in March. Had in June though we had a 85%. Actually, no, it was a 90 something, 91 or something percent win rate in June, and in May it was because we took 4 losses in the whole month of June, and in May we took a total of 4 losses as well. But maybe this week was just like, you know, Don, it's just like a little humble down a little bit, calm me down a little bit. Calm the storm. Yeah, I gotta remove odd user. Gold mine OB. I'ma report you and for unwanted spam, and you can't promote like that. I warned you once. And put user in timeout and add user. Where do you put your stop loss? So this stop loss for this buy stop will probably be the 1 hour low, probably this candle here. So it's gonna be probably like a nice 9 pip stop loss. Do you ever margin call? No, bro, I do not margin call.
What?
Over leverage margin call. I used to have my old like first mentor when I started Forex, man. This guy used to call signals like this. He used to be like, buy now, over leverage, full margin. I'm like, bro, I don't know if this is if this is normal, man. He was my first mentor, so I didn't know anything, you know. He introduced me to everything. How do you
feel getting a margin called the first time? Like, what was your experience, right?
Oh, it's just an email. It's just an email, right? There's no literal call, right? It's just email. In the days, there used to be a call, but now it's just like literally like a email, right? To your. Like, how did Osprey do it? Osprey had emails, right? For sure. My first one was an email, I think. I was like, margin trouble. You have this. I forgot what it says, but something
Yo,
like that.
why am I like what?
The thing is, you can't go negative on an account, right? So.
Shit.
What do you use in your analysis? Support and resistance. Support resistance, supply and demand. Looking at candle structures on all time frames. It's a lot about reading candles. A lot about candles. It's not just support and resistance. It's not as easy as it looks on my chart. It's a lot more to it going on, but it has to do a lot with candles. But I use no indicators or anything like that. No indicators, none of no fibs, no trend lines, none of that. It's just whatever see my chart is on, I use. Majority is my brain, you know, for 3 candles. Because I can't really display anything on a. I can break down the trades, like talking about the candles, but I can't really like you know, tell you guys, oh, discounted this. Like I can't put a label chart as we speak. With the trade, with every single trade live. You know, I was sending you guys a label chart after the trade, just played out with all my ideas, all my whole thought process. But during the live stream, you guys just see my positions buy or sell, and you guys, that's all you guys gonna see, and then just the pips up here. But I can't really send you guys like a full, I can't have a full label chart every time a candle opens up or closes. It'll just be too messy. How many pips do you aim for per day? I don't aim for pips. I just trade whatever the market gives me per day. Some days, well, like my actually, I do kind of aim for pips. I say I'm comfortable closing at 10 pips, and I leave a runner after that. So whenever I get 10 pips, I usually have a runner going after. So some days it can be 10 pips, some days it can be 100 pips. Not 1,000 points on US30 or something, but yeah, 100 pips probably on GJ. Some days. My biggest runner was probably 120 pips, 140 pips. From a 10 pip scalp, I closed half and let the runner go for 130 pips. Yeah, it was pretty crazy. It could have been for a 270, but I closed it. Yeah, I remember. Yes, your counter structure analysis is excellent, thank you. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, what age do you study about Forex? I mean, you're so young. Yeah, I started when I was, what's that? 18? I'm 20 right now.
Yeah.
Started when I was 18, now I'm 20. So, about 2 years. What's your strategy that you use? I just explained it. Just cancel. Okay, cool. Read all that.
Good guy, Don.
Oof. Well, bro, get by yourselves activated here. Nice, started at 16. Yeah, bro, you a goat, bro. That's Roger right there, guys. There's no Roger. That's Roger. Roger put. That's Roger right there. That's the real Roger. Why do you say the scalping style? I wouldn't really consider it scalping style. I'd just say intraday trading. Because scalps for me, like I see scalps as this: going on a 1 minute time frame and catching every single move. That's scalping for me. This is not really like I don't really see it as scalping. I just see it as intraday trading. Like some days, sometimes this range is 30 pips, sometimes this range is 40 pips. You know, who knows? But like this trade is a potential 4 pip move here, so I don't really think it's scalping. Scalping would be like getting right here and getting out like literally 4 pips in profit and repeating the same steps over again, and just over trading. I think that's what I think scalping is, but this honestly, yeah, scalping. I'm 16 and started Forex 3 months ago.
Nice.
Damn.
I'm calling the police right now.
Yeah, scalping leads you to over trading because you're gonna think that every move is a high probability move, and you're gonna enter every single trade you see, and it's gonna lead to over trading. Good or bad profits. It's still over trading at the end of the day, so it's still gonna be bad profits at the end of the day.
Yeah, this dude that no.
Like help, and they'll make the excuse saying, "I'm a helper. I'm a hyper scalper," you know.
Dude, he's FX glory, and like, bruh, he be over leveraging like a bit. Be like, I catch every move. I get out every 2-3 candles. I'm like, cool, what's up? They gave me his referral link. I'm like, why?
I know. Rip. Rip.
Bro, he showed me his screen. I'm like, bro, you know how bad you're over leveraging right now?
Yo, it's crazy though, because a lot of traders, man, they used to come to me for help. Like 3 months ago, they'll be like, man, I'm a new trader, so I don't know what to do. And after 3 months later, you know what happens? They'll be like, guys, I have my own signal channel here. I'm like, what?
Join my group.
Join my group. I'm a mentor. I'm like, you asked me how to trade 3 months ago, and now you're mentoring?
You're just asking how to buy or sell.
He literally asked me buy or sell here, and then 3 months after, he has a whole force group.
This man caught one sniper entry and one starter group. I'm dead. Like dead ass. I'm like, dude, you know how lucky you got because of fucking news?
Guys, like, I'm still my dad's balls. I'm making millions in Forex.
Nice.
I respect the hustle. Bro. Yeah. Where you learn price structure and market structure? A lot of it came from a lot of shit that I've been through in the Forex community. I've been through many groups, many mentors, and then a lot of shit. Just I every time I found new mentors, just I look for things that didn't work, look for things that did work. I took all the things that didn't work, you know, add to my next method, boom, and then now it's just it comes down to this one method here. And it's still. Oh, bicycle got activated here, I think. Did it? Yeah.
Square one. Yeah.
Yeah. So. Yeah, it's just a lot of things just formed this one huge strategy for me. Bicycles got activated here. Spreads got activated here for me. Stop loss is there, and TP is around. I think this level. Runners to here though. I'm gonna put TP here, but my runner's gonna be all the way up to here for a nice 40 pip move. So burn close. So when price gets to the temps to here, at 5.6 pips here, at 134.016, I'm gonna move stops to entry, let it run risk free. And when price gets to here, I'm gonna probably close 50% or around 10 pips, close 50%. Here, close another 25%, and then eventually here, close the full position for a runner. Close and
What's the most positions you ever stacked on a trade?
bro, 7-8, bro. It was gold.
What the
7 or 8
hell?
positions. I went point 10,
What
point
was
10,
that?
point 10, point 10, point 10, point 10, point 10, point 10.
What was that?
Bro, I made so much.
like
I
you
made
did it out
blues,
of, like-
blues, no blues, all blues.
No. What was it? No. Was it from news that you did? Or
Oh,
you
news?
did
No,
it?
no, it's just gold's rallying one day.
Oh.
And me as a new trader, I thought to myself, well, maybe if I see more profits and I enter more positions, I'll become more profitable. That's not the case though. I learned after that win. It was a big win though. I flipped the account from like, I had a huge flip, but like that's why I'm telling you guys, like don't try aim for those flips, man, because sooner or later you're gonna lose it hella quick, bro.
You know that missile strike, man?
Yeah.
Boy,
No, I wasn't
ain't
there, I wasn't
never-
there. It was
I ain't
before.
Never popped the standard in my freaking life.
It was back when gold was at 1200
Oh my jeez.
last year.
Oh my days. But yeah, bro, that missile strike, bro, that was the. I felt like, oh my god, I ain't never had the balls to pop a standard till that day, bro.
I think we caught it, right? I think I caught.
caught it, like, caught it and
I
blew
caught
it.
something there. Did I caught something?
Nope, you was.
No, I caught a US oil. I caught the oil sell
Yeah,
down.
you caught the oil.
Like
missile
literally
strike.
5 minutes before news happened. Guys, like thing was setting up for like a.
Yeah, like it kept rejecting the support, and then you was like, buy. I'm like, what? What you buy? Yeah, I don't know it. A few minutes later, US Joe missile strike. I'm like, huh? How you know this? He knows too much. He knows too much.
Yeah, I don't know how, bro. The technical
It
analysis
jumped
is lining
like
up.
40
Yeah.
It jumped like to 40 to 57. Dumb quick.
I think it's like a lot of new traders, guys. They get so distracted by like these other traders that are out there.
They get distracted by
Like they'll be like,
cars,
no, yeah, they get distracted by their cars, you know, the flashy money,
freaking 5 stars hotels, the laptop on the beach.
the laptop on the beach kick up, you know.
What's that? The freaking condo. Like, come on, dude. Don't focus on that. Focus on you. Don't try to be the next.
If you
That's all
can't,
right, man.
yeah, like it's just. And then they'll be like, well, if I had a bigger lot size, I'll become more profitable, right?
You can be profitable with, like, you just gotta catch moves, man. Like, y'all just wanna like.
If you
pop
can't
standards.
break down a single trade and manage it accordingly to the T, then you cannot do it on a bigger account. Simple. That's it. Like that's it. You can't really say anything after that. It's just if you can't do it on a smaller account, you can't do it on a bigger account. Right? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense.
It's just like this thing called chaos theory, right? So, bruh, if you regularly blow accounts, right? What you think you finna do in your big account? Same thing. If
Exactly.
you can't manage a damn near $500 account, what do you think you finna do with a 10K account, 20K account, 50K, 100K, like those numbers, $500,000?
And don't think of it as
No.
if you have a smart account, you can over leverage. That's not true.
No.
Don't over leverage on any single account. It doesn't work like that. If you have a smart account, just use lot size accordingly to your account. Don't try to have a smart account and try to trade like you have a $1,000 account. It's not gonna work out, man. 2-3 trades and your account's gone, straight up. So just manage your risk accordingly every single trade, and there.
Start
Yeah.
forming good habits now. So
How
when
much do you
the
risk
day
per trade? My risk about 2-3% per trade. It's actually a lot less than 3%. It's like probably 1 or 2% around there. But I could risk more if I wanted to. It's just I'm not comfortable with risking probably a bigger lot size than what I am. It takes time, guys. It takes time. GJ broke the 1 hour high here, guys. So I'm expecting this to be the current candle low to be the low if price wants to drive up here. I'm expecting a candle push up like this. Or like something like this. Right, because now this is a fake out. If you come back in the range, if you come back in the range, we're gonna fill the range, and then eventually we're gonna pop further up here to break resistance. If this is a fake out, like I said, 85% chance of filling the range, and 75% chance of it breaking this next resistance to go up bullish. Alright guys, I'm gonna get some water, guys. I'm actually thirsty as hell.
Coach.
You keep lot size private? No, I don't. I pop an 8.0 of about 5 to 8.0 lot around those lot sizes. On this trade I took though, it's a Friday today, and I also had a not the greatest week, so on this trade I only popped a 4.0 here. So I kept my losses small. I mean my risk small today. Talk to the market maker, please. Alright, I'll be back.
Hello, market maker here. Nice to meet you. TJ, profit rocket is on the way. We pop a few thousand lots, which I know. And yeah, don't worry. I'm the market maker for top secret. Only Yashi.
Alright, what up guys, I'm back. Got some blueberries and water. You still here? Oh, you're still here.
Jesus.
Yo, yesterday was actually a tough day as well. We actually ended the day with 8 pips though. Yesterday we took 1 loss and 1 win. The winning was bigger than the loss. We kept the loss short. We had a 7 pip loss yesterday. And then today, and then after that we actually caught a 15 pip move on GJ. And then I caught a 30 pip move last night during London, so I did pretty good yesterday. It wasn't bad. Let's see how today goes.
Yo, Don, is
Yo.
it me or you two? Like, you've been noticed like ever since Bennett's server change, it's been like a little bit slower.
Who?
I said Bennett's Traders Domain.
What's been slower?
Like the latency, it's been a little bit slower.
Nah, I don't see any latency.
Nah, I've been noticing that. Weird. Like before, server migrated, it was moving smoothly or whatever. And out of nowhere, it just got slow. I'm like, huh? What's happening? That's why I started using my Ethernet cable to trade. One trade in on that.
How many does your account grow per month averagely? Unfortunately, I can't even tell you the exact numbers because my FX book does not connect to the MT5 for my broker for some reason, bro. But I'll say, I don't know, it depends. Like usually, like probably a day is like per month. Per month. It depends. Like it varies from months, right? But also the account size as well. Because like last 2 months ago I had a smaller account than the accounts that I have right now. 2 months ago I had a way smaller account, so the accounts that I have right now, it's a bigger account size. So it's usually like around, I think June I did 55% of that account. So June's pretty good for me. Yeah, using like probably two trades per day, trading the same time during the day, doing the same things every day, catching the same moves every day. Right. Yeah, so that's what happens when you become consistent. You don't want it to be that guy where you're like, oh man, I caught I made a $100 account flip today and then lose a lot tomorrow. You don't want to be that guy, man. You gotta do something consistent that you can do every day.
I think on the Trader Domain website, it tells you like the account growth percentage. Like on that little line graph.
It does?
I think so. I'm not.
Oh wait, yeah. You're right. Yeah. Yeah, but this is my last trade of the day, guys. It's 9 a.m. here. Last trade probably. Last trade here. Had buy stops, gonna activate here with spreads. Broke the highs here. No, it should be good to go up here. So is Ranger. If GG actually does, I suggest you guys, if GG does come back down here, I suggest you guys to stay out the markets today because now you're stuck in this range during the all day. Alright. This move came with the anticipation that maybe we're gonna break this resistance, come up to this target, come in the Ranger, and probably close bullish in this Ranger. This is the same trade I'll take 1,000 times if I've seen it. I think I took it here. Here's a video of me taking this trade before. Right here. You see this trade? GG right here. Broke that low, and now I was anticipating it. I was anticipating it to come down to break this low, and then eventually come down to here. What happened? What's up, Surf?
No, sorry, I thought no.
Oh.
Just unmute.
Oh shit. It's alright. I don't know what the hell is happening. Yeah, so this is the exact same trade. And yeah, see? It's just that like this week, everything that we've been doing this week, it's just we've been doing the same thing every week. It's just that this week was probably my worst performance week since started streams. It was just a rough week, bro. Super rough week. But I still ended the week, I guess, with the trade last night, the third pit runner. I ended the week around break even, like little in profit. Hey, I mean, how many hold trades? So that will vary. It's not really that easy to answer. Depending, because like right now we have this advantage where we can move stops to entry here at this target. So once price gets to this target, I'm moving stops to entry. After that 10 pips, I'm probably gonna close half my positions to let the runner go to this target, and then close another 20% of my positions here, and then eventually close the full position with stops to entry to this target. What you're gonna see is that what you're gonna learn from my training style is you can actually turn scalps into swings without having to risk like, you know, 100 pips for like 500 pips. You can literally turn, you have like a 4 pip stop loss for a scalp, depending on the scenario, or 10 pip stop loss, whatever it is, and it could lead up to a 100 pip runner. And that's what you're gonna learn. So you don't, it's just because you're scalping doesn't mean you have to have a big stop loss, so. Sean Lee, the trainer chairs man going down. I'm still using it, man. Which all still work for me, man. I don't know. All that matters to me. 15 close bearish. Yeah, 15 minute close bearish, I'm probably gonna close the full position. Yeah, 15 minute close bearish, I'm closing the full entire position here. I'm probably gonna end the day off here. We're down 2 pips here on GG. Let's see how it closes though. 30 seconds left. If it closes bearish, I'm gonna end the stream here and finish my day off with negative with this loss here, with 2 pip or 1 pip loss. Let's see. Let's see. We have like 20 seconds left. Probably gonna close bearish though by the way it looks. Right, I was expecting this 1 hour to just push up, but now like, you know, there's no volume. That's it's 8:45, still no volume during the day. So this means that we gotta close there. Alright. Close my positions here. Negative 2 pips on GG. So that's my trade. Hold on, let me send it down. Oh, bearish. No volume today. Hold on, let me send this. Cool. There. Alright. Can't tell me if you're showing me about the volume. What volume? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna head off my day here, because this 15-minute closed bearish, right? So this is a gulag move right here. Reason being is because there's not enough support being made here for price to go up. So this kind of has a high chance of driving down in the range here. So we're probably gonna be ranging today down to this range. So, you know, 1 hour did break the highs. 1 hour still has a high chance of closing bullish, but the 15 is showing us signs that we might come back in the range here. So this 1 hour might end up being like a doji. So you don't want to be stuck in that position, and you want to keep your losses short, right? So I'm gonna end off the stream here, guys. Take care, everyone. I'll catch you guys. New York closed. There won't be a ton of volume. New York just opened. What are you talking about? New York just opened. New York closes at 5 p.m. today, or 4 p.m. 5 p.m. actually. Yeah. New York opens at 8 p.m. 8 a.m. Eastern. So New York is open. I don't know what you're talking about by its close. There's volume. There's usually volume at this time. It's just that today's a holiday, a U.S. holiday though. So, but yeah, the pound and yen are still open. It's just that there's no volume, I guess, for this pair too. So it's Friday too. So yeah, other than that, guys, I'll catch you guys next week, and have a great weekend, guys. Have a safe July 4th, and peace.
Peace.